Goa Medical College आणि चालू होतं ना. All hospitals in Goa, including Goa Medical College, will have to give the waste to our plant.
So ते बंद
Goa
होतं.
Common Biomedical Waste Treatment Plant Facility in Hyundai Industrial Estate.
So तो बंद पडटलो.
तो ऑलरेडी ते चेंज करपाक आहात, बट आमी जो तर प्लांट हिंगा घालता जाल्यार ते आनीक घालचे ना. आय विल टॉक टू हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ऑन दॅट. फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू बी रेडी. आमची आतां तयारी चालू आहा आणि बाब डॉक्टर शेखर सालकर आनी तेजी टीम जी आहा ती आमच्या फाटल्यानूच आहा. They want the facility faster because they are also getting a lot of orders coming from the National Green Tribunal on this. So we have to see that this facility comes up.
Sir, how much you are concerned about each panchayat having their own garbage treatment plant? Small.
See, panchayat cannot have garbage treatment plant. Panchayat job is to collect the waste, segregate it, and give it to us. We have seen various orders coming up from High Court. That panchayat should treat the waste. Panchayat does not have the facility to treat the waste. They do not have.
चार पंचायतीचं
Cluster.
ते आधीच म्हणतात तुका वाय चार पंचायती. 20 पंचायतीचो क्लस्टर कर आणि एक प्लांट घाल आम्ही घातला पाहिजे. So that is more economical. If you are going to set up a plant, how much money you are going to spend? Panchayat is not generating that much money in their own panchayat.
No, but we have seen some gram panchayat taking this resolution in their gram sabhas to set up their own garbage treatment.
हुया दाखोय म्हाका एक फॅसिलिटी दाखोय गोंयान हुया ती. Show me. I will see where there is a facility like this. It is only on paper and the plan. In actually there is a shed because High Courtan इतले ऑर्डरी पास केल्या. शेड आहा पण काय ट्रीटमेंट ना. ते म्हणटा आमी वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग करता. काय ना भितर वर्म्स ना कोण ना.
So panchayats are flooding locals.
See, I am not against the panchayat. I feel sorry that the High Court has said that since they are the panchayats are giving licenses for construction of buildings or whatever, house, flats, whatever, they are the people who have to take care of the waste generated by these societies, buildings, everything. Technically, yes, they are the one. But there is only one secretary over there, one peon is there, one clerk is there, and this panchayat body who is there. Maximum they can give a tender out to collect segregated waste. So where they are going to treat it? What they are going to do with that? Very few panchayats have got their own land. Like you go to Taligaon, they have their own land. But their vermi composting unit कितले म्हणून करतले तुम्ही? The wet waste which is generated is huge.
What is the option left in front of panchayats to like it's a class?
See, government has stepped in because of that. Solid Waste Management Corporation is formed because of that. Waste Management Ministry is formed because of that. Our objective is to help the panchayat. They collect the waste because Panchayat Raj Act कितें म्हणटा, they are empowered to give licenses, to take care of the villages, to understand the difficulties of the villagers. They have to collect the waste, segregated waste, give it to us. Of Goa state. The land which is identified and is in our possession is at Hyundai Industrial Estate. Indian Medical Association, which is Goa unit, they are, especially Dr. Shekhar, who is the president, they are very keen that government starts this facility of Goa biomedical waste treatment facility in Goa state, because right now Goa Medical College cannot take all that waste which is generated. There are so many things like imputing of legs and biomedical waste भरपूर भाशेचो आसता, ऑपरेशन्स हे ते चालूच आसता. So that requires incineration and Goa Medical College कडेन incinerator आहा तो धाकटुलो आहा, तेंकाच पावना तो. And पेंजिमाचो waste collect जाता, all the health care hospitals which are there, then pathological labs. There are so many other hospitals in Mapsa, in Ponda, in Margaon. I think the waste in Margaon is not being collected at all. All those hospitals which are there, they खंय तरी ते garbage and हिंगा तिंगा dump करता. So NGT, National Green Tribunal, has given certain orders on this. So we have to fast track this and immediately start this facility. The land is with us now, Kundai Industrial Estate. We have a land of for this facility, and immediately we are planning to start. So 12 crores is the estimate which we have done.
It's difficult for everyone where to dispose of them. So my खंय योटेन पडटाले ते, except maybe GMC and its CSP area and some government hospital which has to go to GMC. Rest there is no incinerator available. So problem कसा आता है, incinerator तू एकूच घालू शकता बायोमेडिकल खातीर एकूच. In full Goa there can be only one. आमी मणिपालाक मागिल्लो आमगे घालता म्हणून separate. They did not give permission because within 10 kilometers म्हणत ना. So now they have identified a place. They have done an environment impact assessment. आम्ही ताका सजेस्ट दिला एज पर आमच्या हेज्या प्रमाणे की यू गिव दॅट लँड टू IMA, इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशन, अँड वी विल बिल्ड थ्रू द this our CSR activity,
Okay.
which ONGC is more or less ready to do. आनी तांणी जर तें केलें जाल्यार आमकां सवाय भितर पडटलें. आमी तें 4-5 कोटींनी करूं शकता. तूं भायलोक आफयतलो कोण आनी ताका स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट कर आनी हें कर, तो 12 कोटी खर्च करतलो, मागीर ताका वसुली करपाक आमच्या हॉस्पिटला कडसून घेवचे पडटले पयशे. आनी हाफ द हॉस्पिटल मे नॉट गिव, आनी ते म्हणटा आमी करता म्हणटलें आनी सारकें करचें ना. So you have to give something which is reasonable priced, and so that everybody is compliant to that.
कितनी हॉस्पिटलां आसूंक शकता गोंयांत रावपी?
Total there are 950 healthcare facilities, not hospital, healthcare facilities.
950.
Because veterinary doctors, dentist, occupational health, सगळे धरले नाही, clinics and धरलेले 950 असतात. So it is a huge number.
And how sooner the better it is.
Absolutely, I want it tomorrow only. Actually, I told him it's very simple. इतको complicated करपापेक्षा you hand over the land, just sign a MOU with which is done like in Ankola and all. Municipality has signed with IMA there. They have put आम्ही घालताना आम्ही ते बाबा सारखे कंट्रोल घालतले न्ही.
You will manage it.
We can manage it. There's not a problem. आमचेच see, we are the generators of the waste. It is easier for us to tell the hospital also, Baba, you pay, and so that we can come out with some good solution fast. तांकांय जाय मातशें हें, कित्याक कोण घेवन बसतलो हें सगळें लाचाना पोल्युशन बोर्डाची. आतां ते ऑर्डर येता तांकां, हॉस्पिटल बंद करता, हें बंद करता, तें बंद करता. सो वी हॅव टू डू ऑल दीस थिंग्स.